Hello, and you are very welcome back to Film Resolve, the channel where you can learn filmmaking techniques and how to pull them all together in DaVinci Resolve. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom frame guides so that you can monitor any aspect ratio on your Pocket 4K, 6K, or 6K Pro. If you find the content helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe and the notification bell. But with that out of the way, let's jump into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is swipe up or down on your screen to bring up your overlays. Then we'll go to the very top left button. Basically, this menu is all your screen display options. And if we come to the third option, this is our frame guides for our aspect ratio. So you can see here, I'm toggling through some of the default options. Some are for standard, some are for widescreen, and then some social media focused aspect ratios, which are taller rather than wider. But if we actually press the number itself, then we open the custom frame guide menu. And here we can type in any frame guide we want. Now in my case, I've been wanting to experiment with 2.2 to 1 because that's what Mindhunter is shot in. So I'll just type that in and you can see our frame guides update perfectly. And the real beauty of this is that your 80% or 90% guidelines as well as your thirds also update to accommodate this new aspect ratio. So a big plus to this feature on this particular set of cameras is that if you're doing a particular custom aspect ratio that isn't supported by your external monitor, then you can just leave your monitor's frame guides blank and send the frame guides from your camera via the HDMI to your external monitor and have that custom ratio there too. To do this, you'll want to open up the main menu and come to Monitor and select the HDMI option. And here you can turn on or off any overlay that you want to see on your HDMI, and you can mix and match what you see on your external monitor to what you see on the internal monitor. You can fully customize here. And there's no real limit to what aspect ratio you can choose to frame here. So you can go for something ultra wide like 4 to 1. And again, everything will update super nice and neat. Or perhaps you're shooting something that you know will later be cropped for social media, so you might inherently shoot 16:9, but you can also have a look at the 9:16 version for a quick preview on set of how will this framing work for that later croppage. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Did I miss something that should have been covered? Let me know in the comments below so I know to cover it in the future. My name is Lee Dalton. This is Film Resolve. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.